Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, we've got this wig which came super duper thick and I plucked the heck out of it, and in this tutorial you're going to see exactly how I did it. So I'm firstly just parting off my hair. I part mine into 3 sections. I love parting in sections, so I'm just going to tie the midsection back and clip it away, and let's get straight into plucking. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I've actually already started plucking, but all I did was pluck one section and skip out another little section, and then plucked one section and then skipped out another section, so you guys can see here in this demonstration what I'm doing. I do want to mention the knots on these synthetic wigs, they are tied a bit more tighter than your typical virgin hair, so you do want to apply pressure to your tweezer to actually pull the hair out. You can see I'm really going at it here. So you can see how skipping and plucking has actually given it this type of look. I have skipped to the other side of my wig. Hairs that are in between the plucked bits, they are still too dense, so we're just going to go in and do an overall pluck, which I'll show you in this demonstration. With this method you want to make sure to not stay in the same spot for too long, if not you risk over plucking the hair. And this will also doing this will blend the lines of demarcation caused by the skipping and plucking. I like to over pluck this section here a lot more, because these 2 points here, this circle here and this bit over here, is where your temples on your head are, and the temples of your head are always a lot more emptier than the rest of your hairline. So I like to focus in on the temples of my head and just make sure that they are as empty as they can be without balding the wig. You guys can see that brown lace underneath. I think I'm definitely gonna cut that out. I think they tried to do like a silk base thing going on there, but I'm not really here for it. Yep, so right where the gaps are, I'm going to be plucking downwards. Skip. Pluck. Skip. Pluck, skip, pluck. And you just want to keep on doing that all throughout the wig, even on the other sections, skip and pluck.
You stay in one spot for too long, but
if you pluck and skip, you almost always get a very uniform pluck that isn't inconsistent throughout the hairline, so your plucking would be very consistent if you use the skip and pluck method. Here I'm just removing this brown cap that came underneath the wig for a more natural look. Take a look at that. How much better is that looking, guys? Okay, so here guys, I've already plucked the middle section a bit, so I just repeated the steps that I did on the side, so you guys can just watch me continue to pluck the midsection of this wig. And after that, repeat the same step and just go all over to remove all those harsh lines. Or if you do find it a bit difficult to like pluck fast and in different sections, all of the pieces with thicker hair in it, just concentrate on that section and remove gently until the line of demarcation is gone. Okay, so I'm finally on the front section here. I'm just going to keep on plucking until I reach my desired look. I do like to keep the middle this dense instead of making it as sparse as the sides. Just look at that transformation, guys. How amazing does that look? I did go in and make a widow's peak at the end. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.